talk about screwdrivers. A screwdriver is a pretty versatile tool. It's how you can work a screw by hand. So if you have a piece of equipment that has a bunch of set screws on it, or maybe you're taking apart an outlet, you will need a screwdriver. There's a couple different kinds that are very common. The two most common are the flat and the Phillips. Both have different sizes. There are sizes for the Phillips and the flat. A Phillips can go from a 1, 2, or 3. The most common is probably a 2. This is a number 2 Phillips. A flat has the same thing that goes on with it. You can have a wider flat and it can be thinner at the end or more thick. What I would recommend you get is one of these handy 6-in-1s. Why is it a 6-in-1? Well, it has 2 Phillips, a 1 and a 2 number Phillips. You can flip it over. It has a flat 1/4 inch and 3/16. It also, the reason it's called a 6-in-1 and not a 4-in-1 is the ends that you would put the in also are shaped so they can drive a screw. So this one is for driving a bigger screw. Flip it around and you have for the smaller. You can get a 6-in-1 like this at your local lumber yard for probably less than $6, or you can go to Amazon, check the link in the description. You can get one that I would recommend, and it's probably less than $10 right now. At the time of this video, it is less than 10. Probably will be in the future as well. Very versatile tool. I keep one of these in my truck, in my tool bag, and at the house because I'm using them all the time, and they're cheap enough that you can afford to have a couple of them. So if you are just starting out, if you just got an apartment or something, I would recommend one of these for your car, and then you can use it wherever you're at. So that is the 6-in-1, and I would highly recommend it. Another thing you can get, folks, is one of these multiple piece screwdriver kits, and it has all kinds of bits in it. It has the star, it has slotted, it has Phillips, it has flat, it has hex, so it has all kinds of tips in it. What it doesn't have is a very big driver. The driver is pretty small, so you're not going to get as much torque on that screwdriver as you could have. So I would recommend one of these kits if you have some special tools, or maybe you have some really small screws that you need to take out. You can get one of these kits. I'll put a link in the description below where you can find it. What I would highly recommend though is the 6-in-1. Hey folks, thanks for your attention. Remember, hard work is its own reward. Have a good day, folks. We'll catch you later.